Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we're going to test which is the strongest army helmet. And these are all retro helmets, really old. All the new helmets are needed elsewhere, so we are going to not touch those. But luckily we have tested one modern Kevlar helmet before, so we have benchmark from there. And first one to be tested, old tank crew helmet from British Army. And I'm going to guess that this is going to take 10 tons.
5 tons.
Okay, here we go. Okay.
What?
This is really big. I think it's ready. It was like 300, but this hydraulic press